If you squeeze the gel from this plant, you can use it to treat skin irritations or for aesthetic treatments. If you put part of your wooden frame in the ground and water it with baking soda and white vinegar, you will have an original and natural frame. If you dip a sponge in a bath of chia seeds and let it sit, you'll have grass for your cat the next day. If you have a rotten fruit in your fruit basket, open it and plant it in a pot of earth, and you will have a new tree with unlimited fruit. If you stick a pencil in your pot of soil, you will know if the plant needs water or not. If you want to pit cherries quickly and neatly, take an empty glass Coca-Cola bottle. Place each cherry on the neck of the bottle and use a Chinese chopstick or similar object to push out the pits. They will all be stored in the same place. If you dip the end of the salad you cut into a glass of water, you can replant it and you will get a new salad. If you accidentally overwater your plants, plant a hygienic pad in the soil. It will remove the excess water. If you cut a piece of rose bark and tape it to a lemon tree like in the video, you will have pink lemons. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the organic link, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.